Sir, in the first place, many congratulations about winning the Sagar Shreshta Award. Tell us something about the awards and how many ports were part of it. We hear that amongst the 12 ports, you have actually won an award. So something on that, sir.
Thank you very much. So this yesterday was the golden day when we got this award. Yesterday, our Honorable Minister, Mr. Sonowal, and in the presence of our Minister of State, Shri Naik ji, so the Green Port guidelines were launched first. So these guidelines are called Harit Sagar. So Harit Sagar is kind of a document which the ministry has come up with for sustainable initiatives in all the major ports of the country. Along with that, the awards were also distributed, and I'm happy to say that Mormugao Port won the award among all the major ports for the average output per day. That is the total, cargo loaded or unloaded in a single day. So last year, the port created a record by achieving 15,699 tons in a single day, as against 11,000 odd last year. So this kind of a jump and, the very big jump in the per day output of the port, that has contributed to this award. This is a very significant award, considering the fact that there are major ports involved in this. And this kind of an achievement is possible only if the different wings of the port work in unison and in a great synergy. So it's a great achievement for the port, and with support from all of you and the local, the government of Goa also, I'm sure that we will achieve more awards in future, because these awards will be given every year now, called Sagar Shreshta Samman, for different parameters to different ports.
Sir, now when we're speaking about the awards, and there are speculations that the port is reeling under financial pressures, and this is a very significant stage where the port is winning an award. Any additional cargo that the port is looking at, or any new cargo that the port has handled this year?
See, we are looking at different revenue streams. One is the international cruise terminal which is coming up. The work is going on in full swing, and by September, October, we'll be able to complete the international cruise terminal, and it will be operational maybe by December, January. That is the expectation. So we'll get more cruises, and that will be a new revenue stream for the port. We are trying to get some other additional cargo like gypsum, bauxite. We are also looking at some other proposals like bitumen storage also in the port. So there are different options before us which we are examining, and I think this will bring more cargo and additional revenue to the port.